totally different from what has been offered before. So I'm just wondering, bakit nyo gustong paniwalaan kaming lahat na ibang-iba talaga ang Lavender Fields?
Kasi iba talaga siya. No. As they say, di ba, nothing is original anymore. So whenever we conceptualize with stories for our narratives with the creative, nag-iisip kami na although it would follow the narrative would follow the same formula, nag-infuse kami ng mga bagong elemento, mga bagong elements. The element of revenge is very much present in the narrative, that we don't deny. But how we presented the characterization are different. All these characters are gray, no one is white. Even yung mga like Janine, no? She's playing a very negative role here. Pero maintindihan mo why she's going through that process of hurting people in the story, no? Tapos siguro first time din namin magpapakita na mga babae doing fight scenes, action sequences. Okay, imagine the wife, the legal wife, and the mistress, instead na nagsasampalan, they do mixed martial arts, no? And mahawak ng barel, no? And these are women who are very empowered. Okay, yun, maraming pagkakaiba. I only discovered yung mga elements that were infused in the narrative as you watch it every night. And hopefully, makita na, yes, it's still the revenge story that we don't deny, but may mga bago tayong makikita dun sa kwento.
Ang galing ng explanation. Imbis na sa sampalan, nag-action scenes yung dalawang babae over a guy.
Okay.
Direct Jojo would like to add to that?
In addition, lahat ng characters kasi merong twist. Hindi lang isa yung for revenge. Lahat sila nagpapanggap. Kaya nga, from yung plug, yung concept ng plug is lahat may maskara. So lahat sila merong kanya-kanyang pagtatago in order to find the real truth.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
MJ, I think we can no longer accommodate. Franz, Marating, medyo lang, we need to...
The fact that you guys are all here in the cinema and you watch this with us, and hopefully you guys really enjoyed it. This is cinema quality kind of entertainment. We're bringing it to your homes via Netflix and all of these, stations, A to Z, Kapamilya, and everything. I'm very, very proud of the team, especially Jody, Janine, Sir Albert, Sir Edu. Sayang wala sila dito. Because what we bring out here in the show for every character is truth. If you're saying, napanood na namin yung Gigante, napanood na namin yung ganyan, we have been playing characters for a very, very long time. We've been playing with these emotions for a very long time. And we proudly offer the truth in every character here sa show namin. That's why it's very refreshing to watch. Yun lang po.
Ayun, and on that note, let's ask Jolens, why should we watch Lavender Fields starting August 30?
Siguro narinig na po ng lahat kung bakit nga talaga dapat panoorin ng Lavender Fields. And salamat. At para sa akin, ang isang biyahe ay hindi aandar kung hindi magtutulong-tulong ang lahat. Kaya dito makikita nyo kung paano kami hindi lang basta magkakatrabaho, kundi magkakapamilya talaga at pakiramdaman ang dating para maitakbo ang magandang storya.
Thank you, Jolens. Nay!
Andar na tayo.
Andar na! September 2 na!
Kaya maraming salamat ulit sa inyong lahat. At syempre, sana pagpatuloy yung pagnood nyo para mas malaman ninyo kung ano talaga yung difference ng Lavender Fields.
Yan! Of course, our sunflower, Janine.
Ako,
tingin ko hindi ko na naman kailangan magpaliwanag eh.
Oh, mag-smile ka lang, saya na kami.
Thank you. Charot. Hindi, pero kasi ako bilang isa ding manonood, basta show yan ni Ate Jody, papanoorin ko eh. Basta show ni Jericho, basta show ni Inay Maria, basta show ni Ate Jolens. Hindi mo na kailangan ikwento sa akin kung ano yung premise. Papanoorin at papanoorin ko talaga. So, sana kayo din po. And there's so many new exciting actors na aabangan dito. So, sabihan nyo na po yung mga kamag-anak nyo, mga kaibigan nyo, na watch party po tayo sa August 30 sa Netflix po. So, enjoy Lavender Fields. Sa inyo na po ito. Ilang araw na lang.
Yes, saka just so you know, we're watching it also because of you.
Thank you.
Diba? Kasama ka doon, Jenny.
Thank you again.
Ang mahilig sa sunflower, Jericho.
First of all, MJ and Eric, thank you for making this afternoon really, really interesting and exciting. To the press, we're always so bitten. We love talking to you guys. To our teams, thank you for being here. To the fans of the show, thank you for welcoming us again. To the staff of Lavender Fields, Hazel, and the rest of the gang, you guys are amazing. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Lalabas na kami. Aandar na sa Miss Maria. Here we go.
Magbo-bloom na.
Magbo-bloom na.
On September 2. Oh yeah. Thank you, Echo. And of course, the one and only, Jody!
Salamat po, everyone, for being here. Jody Natix, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. And as I would always say, that it takes a village to be able to produce something great. So, this is a product of, parang collaboration po ito ng napakaraming talento, napakaraming utak. And we're just so proud and happy na mapapanood nyo na po finally ang Lavender Fields. Salamat po sa inyo. And God bless you all.
Alright, let's have a photo op. Please stand, ng ating buong cast. Let's have a photo op.
Here po. 1, 2,
Thank you. Sorry. See you Tuesday.
Basta lang po. Bilis na pa-picture, Miss Judy.
Okay po kayo. Picture tayo.